In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend an image in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to give a photo or graphic a smooth, curved look that feels dynamic and polished. This is great for posters, social graphics, hero sections, or any time you want a subtle arc that guides the eye. First, open Figma. You can use either the desktop app or the browser version. Both work the same for this. Open an existing file or create a new one so you have a blank canvas to work on. If you're starting fresh, it helps to have a frame or a simple layout ready, but it's not required. Make sure you're in the Design tab on the right panel so you can see all the usual properties once you select your content. Next, add an image to the canvas. You can drag and drop a file directly from your computer, or use the Place Image option if that's more comfortable. High-resolution images bend more cleanly, so pick something that's at least medium quality to avoid pixelation when curving. After placing it, select the image and use the corner handles to size it the way you want. If it's inside a frame, check the fill settings so it fits correctly. You want a clean base before applying any bend. With the image selected, look to the right panel and click Edit Object. This switches the selection into an edit mode that exposes additional transformation tools for the object. If you don't see it, confirm the image layer itself is selected and not a group or frame around it. You'll notice the interface change slightly, and it will show contextual controls that let you refine how the object behaves. Now, click Bend. This activates Figma's bending controls on the canvas and in the sidebar. Use the on-canvas handles or the numeric controls to increase or decrease the curve. Bending upward creates a gentle smile-like arc. Bending downward creates a frown-like arc. You can also flip the bend to the left or right to suit your layout. Small adjustments usually look the most natural, so start with subtle values and preview your design at 100% zoom to judge the curve accurately. If the edges start to crop or look distorted, scale the image a bit larger before bending, and keep the bend moderate. The best part is that this is non-destructive. You can toggle bend off, refine the value, or reset at any time without harming the original image. When you're happy with the curve, click outside the object to exit the edit mode and continue designing.